أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي. ربنا زدنا علما اللهم فقهنا في الدين آمين. السلام عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أهل القرآن. I hope and pray that you all are in the best state of health and iman. Ameen. Alhamdulillah. So today inshallah let's learn these 4 ayahs of Surah Yasin. Let's begin inshallah. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب أفلا يشكرون. واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون. لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون. فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون. Okay, Alhamdulillah, very easy ayahs. Let's begin with Tajweed rulings inshallah. Ayah number 73. ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب. ولهم, wow, this is lam here. Can you see here? It is lam is here. This is a ha, both for one haraka. ولهم. This means with no gunna, izhar ash-shafawi, because the next letter is fa. ولهم فيها, ya maddiya 2 count, alif maddiya 2 count. It should be exact 2 haraka. Fiha, okay, not fiha or fiha. Fiha. ولهم فيها منافع. منافع نون 2 haraka. منافع, ayn must be clear from the middle part of your throat. ومشارب, sha 2 haraka. This ba will acquire a temporary sukoon, but we will not apply any madul arid li sukoon here. Why? Because in the 3 conditions of madul arid li sukoon, 2 is being fulfilled here, but not the third one. We are doing waqf here on this waqf al-mutlaq, the absolute stopping, and also we are converting this ba with dhamma to ba with sakina. We are adding temporary sukoon, but there is no huruf al-mad before it to stretch it, right? So there is no stretching involved. We'll just say wamasharib, but ba is pronounced with a qalqala when we add sakin here, okay? Wamasharib. أفلا يشكرون. أفلا, همزة and fa for 1 count, this lam 2 haraka. أفلا يشكرون. Yash, sheen with the shashing sound, or ra must be heavy with dhamma. And now we can apply the ruling of madul arid li sukoon, because all the 3 conditions of madul arid li sukoon is fulfilled here. That is, we are doing waqf, we are converting this fatha to sakina, and also there is huruf al-maddiya, right? So we have a choice to stretch it for either 2 haraka, 4 or 6 count, but we will just keep 4 haraka in this recitation, okay? وَلَهُمْ فِيهَا مَنَافِعُ وَمَشَارِبُ أَفَلَا يَشْكُرُونَ. Okay, next ayah. وَاتَّخَذُوا مِن دُونِ اللَّهِ. وَاتَّخَذُوا. Here this is waw and the ta is here. Okay, you can see the ta is here, kha is here. Okay. And this ta has tajdeed, put a stress on it. Just don't say wata. Wata is wrong. Wata. watta. Okay, watta kha. Can you see this is kha here? This Musaf which I have taken, there are a bit difficult words here. I mean, the writing script is a bit difficult to understand. If you use the exact Indo-Pak version, it will be easy for you to know this. Okay, you can find this ta separately. Now here, wattakhadhu, dal with no buzzing sound. Okay, don't say wattakhadhu. Zu is wrong. Dal zu. And dhamma is followed by waw sakin. 2 haraka is done. Stretch it for 2 count. Wattakhadhu. And the kha is huruf al musta'aliya, right? It should be heavy. Don't say wattakha. Kha, kha. Kha, kha. There is a difference, right? And kha must be heavy because that is the huruf al musta'aliya. Wattakhadhu min duni. Noon sakin followed by dal. We have to do ikhfa. That is holding its sound in nasal cavity for 2 haraka, but by hiding it. Okay, like min duni, not min duni. Min is wrong. Min duni, min duni. Okay, 2 haraka waw maddiya duni. Noon has kasra. That is why this lam al jalalah, the lam in the lafzul jalala in the word Allah, is sometimes pronounced heavy and sometimes it is light, right? And what is the ruling? If this lam al jalala has a letter before it carrying fatha or dhamma, then that lam al jalala is heavy. Allah. Okay, Nasrullah, Rullah. But here this is kasra. So due to this kasra, this lam is light. Now, how to pronounce it lightly? Just like la. How to pronounce it heavily? Just like Allah, by doing isti'ala. Now, no isti'ala is required. Min dunillahi, la, light. Keep in your mind which is light. Okay. Min dunillahi. Stretch it for 2 haraka. Dunillahi alihatan. 2 haraka. Then these letters for 1 count only. 2 count. Don't miss to pronounce this hamza for 2 haraka. It is compulsory. Not alihatan. Alihatan. Tanween. When followed by lam, that tanween gets cancelled, right? Actually, it is not getting cancelled. That tanween is getting completely merged in lam in a way that it will completely disappear because it is in this lam now. So this lam is pronounced with an emphasis by doing stress. Don't pronounce this as alihatan la. Tan la is wrong. Directly talla. Tal. That noon sound should be completely disappear because this is idgham kamil, yani complete idgham is done here. Idgham without gunna. Alihatalla. Talla, not tan. Okay, tomorrow while reciting you should not do this mistake. I have repeated it many times. It is not alihatan, it is alihatal. Okay, alihatal la'allahum. La'alla, even this lam has tajdeed. Pronounce it with emphasis. Alihatal la'allahum. Mim sakin, no gunna, izhar. Yunsarun. You must be light. This ikhfa and sod should sound a bit heavier. Sod is a heavy letter, right? Do ikhfa here with 2 count. Gunna. Yunsarun. Sod and ra both are heavy. Do isti'ala. So. Ru. Okay. Yunsarun. Alhamdulillah. Here you can stretch it for 2, 4 or 6 haraka. واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون. Okay, next ayah. لا يستطيعون. La, 2 haraka compulsory. If you say la, then the meaning of this complete sentence will change. The ayah will become completely changed. You cannot say la yastati'una. La means no. You cannot make no into yes. Fine. La yasta. This ya has fatha. Yastati'una. Ta Ti. Don't say ti. Ti means in both the places you're reciting this ta. This is ta and this is ta. So you have to make it heavy. You're all pronouncing the heavy letters with the fatha correctly. Okay. With dhamma it is bit okay fine, but with kasra you are not able to pronounce it heavy at all. So you have to practice this separately, like ta, ti, tu, so, si, su. In this way you have to pronounce it separately, then include that in your words. Okay, inshallah. يستطيعون تطي تطي. While I'm pronouncing this, my lips are not getting encircled. Okay, without encircling, just by doing isti'ala and itbaq, you can pronounce this ta heavily. How to do it? Tati, tati. Rise the back portion of your tongue, not touching it anyway, just rising it to make a narrow space in your mouth, due to which it will sound heavy automatically. Okay. لا يستطيعون. Both for two haraka. Ain and this ta, due to this ya maddiya and wa maddiya. لا يستطيعون. عون عين. Okay. Nasrahum. Swad and ra is heavy. Don't make this noon heavy like no. It is na. Nas. Nas. As soon as you pronounce that swad with sakina, the last part of your tongue must rise up and create a narrow space in your mouth. Nas. Not nas. 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 Alright? The difference is you can feel while pronouncing seen, there was a lot of space in your mouth and that was flowing very easily, nas. But while pronouncing sod, you decreased that space in your mouth and it is nas, nas, right? Nas, nas, nasrahum, ra, ra. Mim sakin with no gunna, wahum. Again mim sakin no gunna, lahum. Again mim sakin with no gunna. In these three places, just do izhar shafawi, because mim sakin is followed by waw here and lam here and jim here. Okay, so just izhar nasrahum wahum lahum in this way. Okay. Wahum lahum jundun. Now ikhfa on this noon sakin. Two haraka gunna jundun. Tanween followed by mim. إدغام with two حركة غنة. جند محضرون. جند محضرون. Okay, two count غنة. Muh. It is very sharp, and a few sisters are pronouncing this dhamma as o, like muhdarun. Mo. Don't say mo, it is mu. Mim dhamma mu. Okay. Muhdarun. Da heaviness. Ra also with heaviness because it has dhamma. Dad must be pronounced from the sides of your tongue. If you try to pronounce it from the tip of your tongue by encircling your lips and trying to make it heavy, it will sound like do. It is not do, it is do. Very heavy letter. Okay, from sides of your tongue, either one side or both the sides you can use to pronounce this letter dad. محضرون. Stretch it for 4 حركة. Okay. لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون. فلا يحزنك قولهم. فلا one count, lam 2 حركة. فلا يحزنك. This is ya. Can you see here? This is ya. Okay. It is written in this way. Ya with fatha. Then the same ya is taken like this and now written ha with sakina. Fine. Yahzunka. Z with a buzzing sound. Noon sakin is followed by kaf. Zunka. Ikhfa is done just like how you say zinc in English. Zinc, right? Same thing, zunk. This N is not pronounced clearly. It is not zunk, right? Zunka. Tip of the tongue should not touch the gums of your upper teeth. Ha very sharp. يحزنك قولهم, not قولهم, or it is not kho, it is a qa. قو, okay. قولهم. Mim sakin is pronounced with no gunna, just idhar shafawi, because we are stopping here. Even though if we want to connect, then also it is idhar shafawi with no gunna, but we have to stop here compulsorily. As you can see, there is meme. This meme means waqf al lazim, the compulsory stop. Here you have to stop, or else there can be a difference in the meaning of an ayah. Okay, what you have to do is just stop here. Even though if your breath is too long and you can read it till here at least, or you can recite the whole ayah in a breath, but still it is compulsory that you stop here at waqf al lazim by breaking your breath, and also your sound must stop here. Take a new breath and start from here. Okay. فلا يحزنك قولهم. Highlight this. Okay, if you have a musaf or if you're taking screenshots, better you highlight it, so that tomorrow while reciting you don't continue this like qawluhum inna. Okay. فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم. إنا, two haraka gunna due to this tajdeed, and also two haraka stretching due to this alif maddiya. Inna, na. Many sisters are missing this mad. I don't know why. Just madu tabi'i. Other mad you're stretching it for 4 haraka or 6, but whenever it comes to madu tabi'i, you're making it 1 count. This is wrong. Okay, you have to stretch it for 2 haraka. Inna na'lamu. Na'lamu. Ain sakina is a bit difficult, but if you practice it will be easy. So I request you to kindly practice it, but still after much practice, if you're not able to pronounce, then don't worry, Allah knows how much you're working on it. Okay. Because I can see few sisters, when I tell them that you're making mistakes in Ain, you feel very bad. Even in WhatsApp course, 3 to 4 audios if they send, and if Ain is not proper, they will be just saying I try a lot, but still it is not coming up. So don't worry, Allah knows how much you're trying. At the end, inshallah, you will succeed. By then you'll just have to practice. Okay, because Allah sees how much you're practicing and how much you're trying. Okay, results doesn't matter. Allah knows whether you're practicing or not. Till your last breath you should just try, because I have seen many sisters, it is very very difficult for them to pronounce Ain clearly, especially. Okay, but you should not stop. You have to continue practicing. Even though if you cannot, then it is up to Allah. Allah will inshallah forgive us. Okay, because pronouncing Ain like Hamza can be a lahn al jali, changing the meaning of a word. You try your best, inshallah. Inna na'lamu. Okay, not na'lamu. Na'lamu is wrong, and also pronouncing it like Hamza, na'lamu, is also wrong. Na'lamu. Ma, two haraka. Yusirruna, ra mushaddad, emphasize, put a stress on it. Yusirruna, and also it is heavy, 2 count due to this waw maddiya. Yusirruna wama, 2 count again meme, because it has fatha followed by alif maddiya. Wama yu'linun, again ain sakina here. Not yulinun, yu'linun. Waw maddiya for 2, 4 or 6 haraka, but just we'll keep 4 count inshallah. فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون. Okay, alhamdulillah, we have completed learning very easy ayahs while I'm explaining. I hope you all will feel that it is very easy, right? The rulings are easy, the gunna and the mad, everything is easy. The difficulty which you mainly feel is in the letters, the makhraj and their sifat. To make few letters heavy, it sometimes is little difficult, but while practicing it will be easy. So keep practicing, inshallah. Okay, first practice them separately, then practice it in the words. Okay, First, for example, if it is saw, the practice is separately, like a saw, su, si, as. Then go on the words, okay, inshallah. I hope it is clear. Now I'm going to unmute your mics. Let's inshallah recite this, okay? Fine. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم.
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 ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب.
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 أفلا يشكرون.
أفلا يشكرون.
أفلا يشكرون.
أفلا يشكرون.
Ra is heavy, not ru. أفلا يشكرون.
أفلا يشكرون.
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة.
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة.
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون.
واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون.
آلهة لعلهم ينصرون.
آلهة لعلهم
ينصرون.
ينصرون.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم
وهم لهم جند محضرون.
وهم لهم جند محضرون.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم.
Okay. Keep this ta heavy, keep this sad heavy, okay? لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم.
Not nasrahum. You cannot say no. Nasrahum is wrong. Na is light. Nasrahum. Okay? لا
نصرا
يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم
لا يستطيعون
وهم لهم جند محضرون.
وهم لهم جند محضرون
Not محضر موزر مو محضرون. لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم محضرون
فلا يحزنك قولهم
ألا يحزنك قولهم
This ha is very sharp. فلا يحزنك قولهم
ألا يحزنك قولهم
إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
Okay, it is not just inna, it is inna. Stretch it, okay? إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون
فلا يحزنك قولهم
ألا يحزنك قولهم
إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون.
نعلم ما يسرون ويعلنون
ولهم فيها منافع ومشارب أفلا يشكرون. واتخذوا من دون الله آلهة لعلهم ينصرون. لا يستطيعون نصرهم وهم لهم جند محضرون.
يستطيعون نصرهم وهم جند محضرون
فلا يحزنك قولهم قولهم it is لهم. فلا يحزنك قولهم إنا نعلم ما يسرون وما يعلنون. MashaAllah, Barakallahu feekum. You all have recited it very well. Barakallah. So, inshallah, practice well tomorrow. Few points to remember. I'm going to highlight it again here. This is Ain Manafi'u. While stopping here, وَمَشَارِبْ with the qalqala. Okay. Ra is heavy, not yashkurun. Yashkurun. Roon. Okay. And here, this is a zal with no buzzing sound. Lam al jalala is light and also stretch it for two haraka. Just don't say dunillahi, dunillahi. Okay. La'allahum ayn clear. Sarun. Sad and ra both heavy. Here you have to be very careful. La yastati'una ayn also. Nas. Nas. Don't say no. Nos is wrong. Nasra. Okay, and here ha is sharp. Dad is heavy. Muhda. Muhda. Okay, while practicing, cut these words into many and recite like muhdarun. Then say muhdarun. In this way, it will be easy for you. Okay. Same thing here. Yahzunka. Understand? It's not yah. Yah is wrong. Yahzunka. Fine. Here na'alamu. Ain must be clear. Na'alamu. Ma yusirruna. Ra is heavy. Wa ma yu'linun. Okay, inshallah. I hope this is clear. You can take a screenshot of this screen, especially where I've highlighted few things which major students, they do mistakes. Okay, don't do mistakes in these parts, and also don't forget to stop here. Okay, you must stop. Keep this in your mind because this is mean. Waqf al-lazim. Okay, any doubts? Once again. Ji walaikum salam wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Yeah, sister.
In Fala Yahzunka, how do you know that ya not ta?
Ji, can you repeat again?
Isn't ya's two dots under the line?
Yeah. Where? Here in this?
Yeah, there.
Yeah, here there is under, right? And you can see here there is upper, ta. Can you find the difference now?
That's ya.
This is ya because it has the two dots below this kind of line. And here you can see there is above. See these two words, then you will understand which is a ta and which is ya.
Oh.
Okay, fine, alhamdulillah. Ji wa iyaki khair. Any other doubts? No, fine, alhamdulillah, barakallahu feekum. Sister Azra has sent a doubt in a chat. Kindly ask me on WhatsApp, dear. Okay, it is something about wazifa, right? You can ask me on WhatsApp. I'll let you know. Inshallah, let's end the meeting now. Subhana rabbika rabbil izzati amma yasifun wa salamun ala al-mursaleen walhamdulillahi rabbil alameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Jazakumullahu khairan.
Waalaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.